Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J. And with Blueberry, the community that gives creators the power to make money, get detailed audience measurements, and host their audio and video. Get a 30-day free trial by using promo code Blueberry004.
Okay, we want to welcome the Chief Communication Officer of GJS Robot, Sarah Lee, with us. Good morning. How are you?
Hi, I'm great. Thanks for asking.
Yeah, so everyone got excited when you turned on your robot here. So first of all, tell me a little bit about the company, then we'll do the live demo.
Sure. So GJS Robot is based in Shenzhen, China. We're a high-tech enterprise specializing in producing consumer battle robots. So the company is founded in 2015, and we've been developing the state-of-art robotics technology to create advanced consumer battle robots. And our goal is to make make people closer and make robot interaction a future kind of sport, and also like a really popular entertainment.
Right.
Yeah.
And as you set this down here, this is not, folks, this is not a toy.
It's not.
No, this has got some serious servos on it. This is not what you're going to, no, this is a serious piece of tech here. So I think what I'm going to let you do is whatever you did to activate it, let's go ahead and turn the robot on. Sure. And you can talk through it a little bit while you're doing that.
Sure. So this one's careful with the hand.
Okay.
So there's a little button like on the back.
It's like, I'm ready. Come
right?
on,
Awesome.
let's fight, right?
Yep. So the robot that I'm bringing right now is not like the original one. So it's a special edition. I just feel that it's going to be like cooler because this is a special edition of the American team.
Okay.
So we have our own combat Ganker arena. So we had like contestants from all over the world, and
sure.
A team, and so the American team, they kind of like decorated it themselves.
Of course.
Yeah, I'm just trying to. It takes a few seconds to connect.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we don't want to make sure we don't want to roll the robot.
Oh,
whoa!
careful,
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah. That's it's and the thing is it's not going to stab me because this is wood, so don't worry.
I was going to say, Todd, watch your fingers on your toes.
Oh, look at that!
Oh, that is so cool.
All right, I'm going to turn it this
Sure,
way.
sure.
But if it doesn't want to because it's trying to resist, yeah. Oh.
So this battle robot is controlled by a joystick control.
Sure.
Do you want to try?
Yeah. I make sure I don't want to roll it off
That's
the.
fine. No, you put your fingers here.
Okay, I know.
So
I'm just going. It's awesome.
Thank you.
Whoop. Yeah. So I dropped my hands. I dropped my guard. I was getting ready to get stabbed there if there was another one on the table. So you actually have teams that are using these already.
So because we have our own Ganker arena combat, so we have our own team of the contestants.
Okay.
Right.
So what is this? I'm assuming then, if you think about some of the battle robots that are out there, then they destroy each other. Now this is not the goal here. What is the goal in the combat arena that you're using these for? Is there a sensor to pick up a hit? I see something here. If they hit that, does that mean that they've gotten hit and disabled the arm, or what happens?
So you see those little lights here, the red lights.
Yeah.
So there are like sensors just all over the robot's body.
Yep.
So when it's getting hit, so the light is gonna flash, and it is just implicating that it's losing point.
Oh, that's losing points.
Yeah. There's an electronic scoring system in it. Yeah.
So you can go so if you had two of these, you could have a brother and sister, or a mom and a son, or whatever. They could battle each other in the kitchen, right?
Yeah.
You really could have a lot of fun with this.
Right.
So, and again, this looks like some serious tech with some, it's got some really significant servos and everything. And how can you roll it ahead a little bit? It does move too, right? A little bit.
It's a lock.
Okay.
Careful with that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Woo!
That's fine. It's
Whoa!
moving like really fast.
That would have been the shot of the week, and we probably would have wouldn't have been good. But so, yeah, awesome. It's got some speed,
I am
doesn't
in love
it?
with this. I have to have one of these.
It's got some serious speed. So what is the retail on this?
It's $500 US.
500
on
US.
Amazon. Yeah,
It's on Amazon.
right.
So it's GJS Robot. Awesome. So is it 500 each or 500 for a pair?
It's 500 each. Comes with a controller.
Comes with a controller. So it's not going to be necessarily a small investment. So you're definitely going to want to be serious into this.
Right. I'm starting to get pretty serious. I mean, obviously, I would start off with one and just chase the animals around the house. But
There you go. Chase the cats,
chase
right?
my husband, and but then build up to two and have battles.
And what's cool is you could probably you can change out what you have here. Maybe put a fly swatter on or
Accessorize.
something.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
So this is awesome. It really, really is. So
I love the idea of a battle bot that doesn't get destroyed.
Right, right. So how's the response been from the show so far?
It's pretty awesome. Like at our booth, it's always like packed. People are just kind of like getting cured to kind of experience that.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure. And you can crashing into each other, and it looks pretty durable too. So it's not like I think you have to work pretty hard to damage it.
Yeah.
We don't want to roll it off the table though. That would be a bad thing. But
Yeah, it is a very good quality actually.
yeah, it is. I can see the build, and for those of you that haven't, let me just turn it on the back here.
That's fine. I'll do it. Let me.
Oh,
Because
okay.
there's a button.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you guys can see the servos, these are not cheap servos. Those are good servos.
Yeah. It looks well built.
It is. It's really well
I
built.
mean, from here, and it looks when I see you touch it, it looks sturdy and.
Yeah, and it's what does it probably weigh 5, 6, 7 pounds? Or
Sort of maybe like, but it's not just it's not like super heavy.
Right,
But
no. But it's
at a
enough.
very
But
good-
it's not
yeah,
flimsy.
Yeah.
And, we have the robotics center in Tampa
Yeah.
that Scott and I work with. We walked in the door with one of these.
Yeah. I think you're gonna. Well, how long does the battery last?
If you keep playing, it's around like 40 to 60 minutes.
Still quite a long time.
Right.
Yeah, awesome. All right, and even the controller's cool. I don't know if you guys can see, but the controller's all lit up as well, and yeah,
Hold the controller up, and
Yeah.
I'll get you in the one shot.
yeah.
There you go.
So I like it's awesome. Totally awesome. So anyway, Sarah, thanks so much for bringing
Sure.
the GJS robot out. You can find this on Amazon, and again, about $500. And for those of you that are hardcore into it, yeah, first of all, chase the cat or the dog, or the
Absolutely.
second time, or practice. Get
Or
better.
go against the Roomba. I can follow the Roomba around. I will enjoy this. I'm
Hours
telling
of
you.
fun. All right, Sarah, thank you so very much.
Thank you.
All right.